Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, in case maybe you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you, but my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walk you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the big dynamic that's occurred since the last time I did the video was the price is now actually broken up through that red line, which I've talked about several times before, right there at 9,300. So as of the recording of this video, a technical breakout is underway, which brings about the first key question to ask yourself. So I'm jealous of those of you that are getting to watch just 15, 20 hours from now, because you're going to have a much better idea in regard to this question. But the question becomes, is this a truly strong breakout? Is this breakout actually a healthy breakout, or is it one of these faulty breakouts where everything's just going to roll back over? Which brings about the question of, when you're watching this, and let's just use that 20-hour number. If you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it, question number one, just very fancy, where's the price at relative to 9,300? As long as you're answering the question that the price is up above that level. So, I mean, let's say that you're watching it 20 hours later and the price happens to just be right at 9,300. I mean, still stop and think about what that would be telling you. That would be telling you that there's a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. You'd have those ones down there. And then if you envision these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. You still have some nice upward stair steps making progress. And again, that's what a truly strong breakout is going to do, right? It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, that 9,300 mark is going to represent that progress point. And then just as far as charts are concerned, in technical analysis, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So definitely the ideal level going forward is 9,300. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 9,300, I mean, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? That doesn't mean anything, or, you know, that would be a little too extreme. All that would be telling you is that as far as this breakout is concerned, yeah, there really wasn't any true power behind it, because now the price has just drifted right back inside of that area where it already was. On the flip side, if you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is still up above 9,300, at that point, it's just a matter of gut instincts and common sense, meaning the further the price is up above 9,300, the more bullish the breakout has become. So nothing fancy there. Just let your gut instincts and common sense guide you in that regard. But all in all, 9,300, definitely the very interesting level going forward. So let's see if the price can manage to stay above it, or even better yet, continue to separate to the upside. So we'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.